Power of precedent. For power of precedent, law students, they actually call it, or lawyers actually refer it as stare decisis. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it into well, but I'll type it on this screen. This stare decisis, like I said, power of precedent means that lower courts have to bow to higher courts. So let's say lower, that's why I said make sure you watch my 4 types of court or levels of court in that court 101 for you to understand the hierarchy. So let's say the magistrate court has a decision, right, and then you are not satisfied with it, or maybe you are actually in the magistrate court, maybe you sue somebody for your debts, and then you're able to find a high court case or precedent that say that even if the person is going to pay you your debts, the person still have to pay you for your time and your efforts. I hope you understand that, right? So it means that lower courts, they are bound by higher courts. And so that means that anywhere you find yourself, whether you are filing a case in the magistrate, in the lower court, in the high court, in the district, right, make sure that any case you are citing is 1 step ahead or 2 steps ahead. For example, if you are in the magistrate court, cite cases from high court upwards, high court, high court, appeal, or supreme. If you are in the high court, the only cases you should cite is either high court itself or appeal or supreme. If you're in this appeal court, you can actually cite appeal cases or supreme court. So don't go lower. So you can't be in the high court, right, and be citing magistrate case law, because it's like they are senior. Do you understand? But then when you actually at the lower court and then you cite case precedents that is from high court, it's more like it's binding. So in as much as it's binding, I still really do not believe that it is entirely binding. And that's what bettered my own belief of the court as TV system, and the third one being hybrid system. So like I said, this is my direct experience that I experienced in courts. So in as much as your teachers or your lecturer come to class, they teach you things from the textbook. You know, so textbook, they different from reality. Me, I dey tell you wetin I experience, and it's a common law judicial. So if this video was helpful, give me a like, give me a share, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks for now. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.